So what we're going to talk about today is how I got my audio sounding like this. So all I've done so far is drag the footage and audio that you've just seen and thrown it into the timeline of Davinci Resolve. So now I'm going to let you guys listen to it and hear what it sounds like without any fix. So what we're going to talk about today is how I got my audio sounding like this to sounding like this. Okay, so that's the entirety of the audio that you just heard. So now I'm going to show you guys how to fix the audio with just one click. So you're on your audio, you're on the timeline, so what you want to do is you want to go to the bottom of the Davinci Resolve page and go to this music icon. It's Fairlight. You're going to click on that, and then you're going to go over here to this right part with the mixer. And then under the mixer, you're going to go to Track FX, and then look at Voice ISO. And on the left side, you're going to hit this little dot that says Enable, and it's going to start enabling Voice ISO for Audio 1, because that's the track I selected, A1, Audio 1, right here. So now, let's go back and listen to it again in the edit line and see how it sounds now. So this is what it sounds like now after one simple click. So what we're going to talk about today is how I got my audio sounding like this to sounding like this. So you can hear that, and that was super simple. All you did was threw the audio and video into the timeline, clicked on Fairlight, hit Enable Voice ISO, and there it is. You can't hear the fan in the background or anything. Now there's no problems with the audio, and it sounds great now. Super easy. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments, and I can answer to the best of my abilities.